See?
So hello guys, today we're gonna wash our truck. It's gonna take long. I will show you our truck. So this is our truck, guys.
Yes, sir.
Ito guys yung aming truck, hugasan namin sa touchless car washer. Yan. Yung aming truck. Sa part-time job ko. Yan. First thing to do is you have to pay.
Options on the screen.
Yan. Babayaran muna natin yung ating paghuhugas ng car wash.
Car wash. See?
Yeah.
Authorizing card.
Yeah. Authorizing.
See, we have money or no money.
A lot, too much money.
No.
That's why the
I'm
computer
not
says
Jerson making.
approve. Yeah. So guys, sarado pa yung yan yung tawag dyan, yung door up.
You see?
How much for the
$14.
yan
How
dollar
many
the
pesos
cost
is that? Is that 60 pesos?
$14 and charge per car wash. No, it's times 38.
Ooh.
Yeah, multiplied it 14 multiplied by 38, so
Wow.
to convert to peso.
How many
So,
pesos is that?
I don't know, I'm not good in mathematics.
380 times 4, so
Yeah.
it's 500 pesos.
Yeah, it's 500 pesos.
That's a lot of money, no?
Yeah, for the car wash. Yeah. Too expensive.
In Lebanon, same this, $1.
Yeah, and the other.
$1.
So guys, we're now going in sa no touchless.
Brushless.
Yeah. Touchless washer. Laser watch. Yan guys, Ooh. Hear that? Oh. What's happening?
Watch.
Watch. Oh. Wait. Oh, look.
Soap.
That's soap.
Mm.
And guys, nilalagyan ng sabon. Sabon is soap in the Philippines.
Sabon.
Sabon.
Sabon is in Arabic.
They
too,
putting
sabon.
sabon. Yeah. Oh, but there's no sabon here.
Watch.
Watch. Oh, it's coming. It's coming.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's coming around. All the way around. Oh, yeah, no, guys. Oh, amazing.
So. Do another round of soap now. Watch.
Yeah.
One more.
I don't know if there's a car wash like this in the Philippines.
No?
I didn't see before. I don't know
Yeah.
if there's in Manila. I don't know, in the city.
They have the brush. This is brushless.
Yeah.
The big brush.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's better.
I just saw it in a video, like you know, the GTA, the games GTA. Oh, I like it.
Not bad. He's gonna put blue stuff. Blue and red. Watch.
Wow.
Watch.
What's
See?
that? Oh, what is this blue stuff?
So
Wow, I like it.
It's like a wax.
Relax, wow. Yan guys, ang nilagay ng machine. Naglagay ng wax. First, soap or sabon, and then the wax. See the green and blue? Wow!
Brushless.
Brushless, touchless. like a storm.
Yeah.
Strong storm.
Now they gotta put different liquid.
Yeah.
Watch coming from the back.
Oh no, what?
You see?
Oh yeah.
There's a special liquid.
Special liquid. Oh. One more liquid.
Yeah.
Wow.
Purple.
Violet liquid. Purple. What is that for?
It's almost like a protection mechanism set up. It's a liquid to protect your
Nice.
paint.
That's why expensive.
Yeah.
They put a lot of stuff.
They do.
Yeah. And then it's touchless. Thus you just sit and relax in your car. That's
Yeah.
it.
That's it.
And
Now washing the car, look, now it's rinsing.
yeah. And drink coffee. Yeah, that's it. Ooh. Wow.
See how the water coming off now?
Yeah, it's
See how the
strong. Miss, yeah. Ooh. And then how they dry the
how much?
watch, yeah.
See that?
It's rinsing now. You rinse the truck.
See
Ooh.
the fans over there?
Yeah.
Fans over there.
Yeah.
See the fans?
Yeah. There's the pens. Oh yeah. And there's a tube. Yeah, a blower para matuyo yung ating sasakyan. Bino-blower siya. Oh, look at that. Touchless car wash. Wow. So nice.
Yes.
Now. Yeah. Now our car is fresh. Really fresh.
Let's see outside. Let's go outside and see it.
Tara, tingnan natin sa labas. How good it is. Let's see. Yan guys yung natin. Yeah. Wow, it's really clean and shiny. Yun, may nagpapakarwas din dun, no? Yung sa kabila naman, yung manual. Karwas din siya na ikaw yung magkakarwash. Mag-spray kagaya sa atin. Yung ginawa namin dito is touchless.